Welcome back to another Out Talk Show. It is your host, Cecelia O show. If you're new to this channel, welcome. On today's Out Talk Show, I'll be talking about different types of cookware and which one is actually safe for us to use to cook our food. Today's Out Talk Show, I'll be discussing about different types of cookware and the one that is safe for us to use to cook our food. So I'll be talking about two types of cookware which are commonly out there for us to buy. And I'll be talking about the pros and the cons of buying them. So the first cookware I'll be talking about today is called anodized cookware. And the other type of cookware I'll be comparing this with today is the normal non-stick cookware. So I'll be talking about anodized cookware and non-stick cookware. And I'll be talking to us about the health benefits, health importance of using one or either of this cookware. So to start with, I got this anodized cookware, Rachel Ray anodized cookware set online, and I got different set of these anodized Rachel Ray cookware online. And the reason why I got this was because I did a couple of research about different types of cookware and the one that is good for us, that has good health benefits. Actually, before, I didn't know that the type of cookware that you use can affect you and can cause disease. I didn't know before that the types of cookware that you use, it's also very, very important, because if you use a particular type of cookware, you can get disease. For of research, I was actually using non-stick cookware before because I thought that's the best cookware that anyone can use. But while doing my research, over the years, the cookware that I was using, I have a couple of non-stick cookware. And I realized over the years that the inside of this cookware is chipping. The inside of the cookware is scratching. This is fabware, is not cheap. It's very, very expensive. But the inside is scratching off. This is another type of cookware that I have. You can see the inside is chipping and scratching off. And you can see this one too, chipping and scratching off. So I did a couple of research about why my cookware is chipping and if this chipped, scratched cookware are actually still good to use for cooking. And from my research, I realized that when you have a non-stick cookware and if it is chipping, that is the time to change the cookware. But for me, or for someone out there that don't want to be throwing away money every year, I'm like, there should be a better cookware out there that I can use, and I know that my family is safe while I use the cookware to cook our food. So I did a lot of research, and I realized that anodized cookware is another step of cookware that you can use that is better than non-stick cookware. And the reason why I said anodized cookware is better than the non-stick cookware is because when you use the anodized cookware, even though it is expensive, but it has been coated with some materials that will prevent the non-stick on it from breaking out. And when you have a cookware, especially non-stick cookware, when you have it scratching and breaking out like this, all these chemical particles here will get into your food, especially when you cook food like tomatoes. This will get into your food and it will release some chemicals into your food, which can actually cause cancer if you ingest that type of food. So my research on how to get a better cookware, which I can use, that will last and be durable, that leads me to getting this Rachel Ray cookware. As a matter of fact, I have a friend that used this Rachel Ray cookware for more than 10 years, and the inside of the pot never chipped. So from my research, I realized that anodized cookware has a material that has been coated on it that prevents it over time from chipping. And even when they start chipping, the aluminium has been sealed. It has been processed in such a way that it cannot react with the food. And this cannot release Teflon or PFOA into your food, which can cause cancer in the body. And another thing is that anodized cookware is not cheap. The non-stick cookware is cheap. But when you have anodized cookware, you don't have to change your pot every year. As a matter of fact, you don't have to change your pot in 5-10 years if you have anodized cookware. So if you add up the money together from buying a set of non-stick normal cookware or anodized cookware, you will realize that buying the anodized cookware pays on the long run. And so that was the reason why I tried to invest in buying this Rachael Ray anodized cookware, coupled with the fact that I have a friend that used this anodized Rachael Ray cookware for more than 10 years, and the inside of the pot never chipped. So I'll be unboxing this cookware and I will show you how it looks. When you buy the anodized cookware, it's a little bit expensive, but comparing to changing your pot all the time, the anodized cookware pays off. And most importantly, the health impact of using a bad cookware. When you use a cookware like non-stick that has been chipped on the inside, it releases some chemicals into your food, which when you ingest into your body, it can cause cancer in the body. So my own advice would be that it's better to save up and get anodized cookware, which you can use for a long time and will not chip, because this will save you on the long run. And another thing is the health benefit, so that when you're eating your food, you're not ingesting toxin into your body. So now I'll be unboxing the anodized cookware. So this is 10 quarts anodized cookware from Rachael Ray. So I got this from there. And these are another set of pots. You can see the inside. It doesn't chip. And the glass is also very, very durable. It doesn't break off easily. For the sake of this video, I will not tell you how much this cook set cost, but you can always Google it and find out if you're interested in buying one. That is from Amazon, and I believe Amazon can ship to anywhere in the world. Said earlier on, using a bad cook set can cause diseases in the body. It can cause cancer in the body, and you don't want to ingest toxin into your body. So it's better, if you can't afford to buy anodized cookware, you can get a non-stick cookware, but when the inside of the non-stick is chipping off, you can get a non-stick cookware, but when the inside of the non-stick is chipping off, that is the time to stop using it. so that you don't ingest toxin into your body. So these are the set of pots I got from Rachel Ray, Anodized Cookware. These are the set of pots. If you find this video educating and very interesting, and also to save your friends out there from using a bad cookware which can give them disease on the long run, please and please, I'm begging you to share this video so that they can be aware of the importance of using a good cookware, not a cheap cookware, in preparing their food. Thank you so much for watching till the end. It's still your girl, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you all. Bye for now.